Okay, what we have here is a 1992 KDX 200. This model is the water-cooled model, first of the water-cooled models. What we had here was just bike running really poorly, and what I think happened is we discovered a crack on the bottom of the intake manifold on the rubber part, that letting air in. Air making it a lean condition, causing a lean out. So you can see here the black, how hot it was getting from the lean out condition. This bike has relatively low hours, but having that lean out condition, you can see what it did to the carb, to the piston. Just gouged it up. So a lot of people, they don't know what is a lean out, but what happens when the engine leans out is it's very, very, very hot, and that's what I think happened in this case. This engine died of a lean out, and got so hot, Chester said, that the bearing had play. So what that's telling me is the bearing was just freaking getting hammered. You're getting hammered. Chester said it was rattling. So on the earlier, or on any bike actually, if you have a cracked intake manifold, you want to go ahead and replace that, because it's going to cause a lot of damage, and this damage was caused fairly quickly. So now we gotta get this thing re-sleeved, re-pistoned, and go from there. So what do you think, Chester?
Gotta have them fixed. Gotta get